The most common method to animate a mouse cursor is to create a keyframe at the beginning of the clip, move the playhead to the end of the clip, and use the transform button to move the mouse. Super easy, but there is a problem. See this? It is too linear and it does not look natural. What if you could animate like this with a few steps? To begin, right-click on your background image and select Open in Fusion Page. Once in the Fusion page, drag the folder image to the workspace. Press F2 and rename it so you don't get mixed up later. I will connect this to the background to make it appear in the viewer, and as you can see, it is too big. To fix that, I will undo that last action and add a transform node. Next, connect the folder node to the yellow input of the transform node. Then, we'll connect the transform node to the media in 1. This automatically creates a merge node, and now we can see the image on the viewer. While the merge node is clicked, make adjustments to the folder image. Use the green corners to adjust the size, and use the square in the middle to move it around. Once done, we'll do the same thing with the mouse cursor image. Drag it to the workspace, rename it, add a transform node, and connect them. But this time, connect the transform 2 node to the merge 1 node. This automatically creates a merge 2 node, which simply means that they are merging with the other elements in the project. Make the adjustments as you deem fit, and now we are ready to animate. Make sure that this loop button is off. Then, move the playhead or the red bar to the 15th frame. Click anywhere on the grid to unselect all nodes. Then, right-click on the word Center in the Inspector panel. Click on Modify With and then choose the XY path. This creates a keyframe, which means that it will now start recording our actions. Now click on the Transform 2 node, as this is where the magic happens. Before we do the actual animation, I will take a pause here to tell you what's going on. The next step in this process is to press the spacebar, and if we do that, this playhead will start moving until it reaches the end of the clip. We have to animate our cursor image before that playhead reaches the end. So now, I will position my mouse on the center square of the cursor image, press the spacebar, and then move the image the way I want it to animate until the playhead reaches the end. Okay, let us see if it works. Nice. Now let's head back to the edit page and check it out. And that is how you animate a realistic moving mouse cursor. Thank you for watching, and see you next week.